How to raise $50,000 so you can go day trading. This is a question that came in. Now, if you want to raise money for your business, whatever business idea you have, here's the thing that you need to do, okay? When you are approaching potential investors, show me that it works. Too many entrepreneurs come and pitch an idea and it's just an idea and they have no experience, no background, and no proof that it works. When I was in the venture capital business, I got pitched all the time by entrepreneurs, and over 99% of the plans that came in never went anywhere because it was just a plan. I'm not gonna risk my money on something that doesn't work. Show me that something works and I'll help you build it up. But you gotta put time, effort, energy, dollars into it to making it work yourself. Otherwise, you're also gonna get killed in your valuation. They're gonna take everything from you. Everybody has an idea, okay? And if you think about people who have money, people who are being approached, I get approached all the time by people who have business ideas. How do you stand out? Why should I pick you? Why should I pick your business from the thousands of others that come at me? What's gonna stand you out? One of the things is gonna be momentum. Listen, you have something that actually works. It's not just an idea. That's gonna be your first step. Show me that it works. Until you have some momentum, until you have some customers, something, show me that it works. This is not that hard. You have to get to that point on your own. You have to have something that works on your own, that creates excitement, momentum, energy on your own. You have to do that. That's on you. Stop wasting time looking for an investor. You're gonna burn all your hours looking for investment dollars and not actually do anything with your company. Go to investors when you have something that works and you need money to grow. This whole thing came out of a question that came in for me on my email from somebody named Nevin, who wants to raise $50,000 so he can day trade, and he's gonna make $1,000 per day, okay? Whatever, okay? So you know what? Show me that it works. Show me that you can make those kinds of returns, because nobody really makes those kinds of returns. Okay, if that was guaranteed money, then you could raise capital easy for this. But it's not guaranteed money. And you're probably not gonna get there. And making these kinds of claims, throw up my BS meter. So show me for 2 years that you could do it on your own. And if you have half of that or a quarter of that, you have $5,000, you can start making those kinds of returns on your own. What do you need capital for? Go out and do it yourself. It's gonna explode on you. This is great. It's not just following some formula and it just works. Okay, people have been trying to crack the stock market for years. There's no magic bullet. There's no magic bullet until you show me that you have one. You have one, you're gonna have a lineup of investors. So show me that it works. Prove it. This is for anything when you're trying to raise capital. You wanna start a franchise? Entrepreneurs come to me and say, I want to start a franchise business. You want to start a franchise? Show me you can start one location that works. You need a location that can train people, that is highly profitable. If your one business, your one store is losing money or is breaking even, that's not a franchise business. You have to be massively profitable, because the people who you sell a franchise to, they're not going to be as successful as you. They don't have as much invested into it. You're the creative visionary. You're bringing on a franchisee. They're not going to be as successful as you, so your store better be awesome. If it's not making money, you're not ready to go out and franchise. If you haven't proven that you can make these kinds of returns off of whatever money you have, $5,000, $10,000, if you can't make these kinds of returns that you're talking about, then you're not ready to bring on investors, because nobody's going to give you the money. You're wasting your time. So go out and prove it. Show me that it works. For any type of raising capital initiative, show me that it works, or you're just burning your time. Prove to yourself. If somebody came and pitched this to you, if somebody said, hey, give me 50K, which might be their life savings, right? If somebody said, give me your life savings and I'm gonna give you this huge return, are you gonna do it? Are you just gonna hand over your money to them? Of course not, right? You're gonna wanna make sure that it works. You want security. So you gotta give it to other people. Especially rich people who have tons of money, because they're getting approached all the time by deals. When you have something, then go model success. I quickly looked up Warren Buffett's story. Because to me, he's the guy to model, right? He's in the investment business. He's the world's most successful investor. And he's not talking about making these kinds of returns. But how he got started was he partnered up with the doctor, and he partnered up with that one doctor and then 10 others. And he asked them to give $10,000 each. And he started with that fund to go out and create his business. But before he did that, he worked at one of the most successful stock agencies in the world. He worked with legendary gurus who are respected. He had a proven track record. So when he went out and pitched this, $10,000, they said, yeah, we want to work with you because look at all the stuff that you have proven. So before you go and get investors, prove that it works, because they're skeptical. Because entrepreneurs are pitching their dreams to them who have planned out nothing, have no track record, no background, no experience, have never done this before, are pitching a dream. And that's who you're going up against. And they're going to put you in that category unless you show them that you're different, you're standing out, you have momentum, and it works. Believe. For those of you watching, like this video, give it a thumbs up below. It makes me want to do more for you. And let me know what you think. You have a question, a comment, leave it below. I'll make a video response. I love hearing your questions come in. It's the best part of our week, making these videos, helping you guys out. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.